Today, we review the best drones that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. So far, capable of reaching top speeds of 45 miles per hour. It also gets an excellent flight time of 28 minutes, great for pro pilots to get the shots they need and minimize downtime. The Phantom 4 also has a built-in camera that can record video at 4K, 2.7K, 1080p and 720p. But one of its most notable features is the obstacle avoidance system. The drone can intelligently position and maneuver itself around obstacles mid-flight.